Across Africa, agriculture sustains lives, economies, and communities. But plant pests and diseases threaten crop production, food security, and trade. Strong plant pest surveillance is key to staying ahead of these threats. It is cheaper and more effective to prevent pests than to manage or eradicate them after establishment. That's where the Africa Phytosanitary Program, or APP, comes in. Led by the International Plant Protection Convention, IPPC, the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, FAO, and the African Union Commission Department of Agriculture, Rural Development, Blue Economy, and Sustainable Development, APP equips countries with digital tools, harmonized protocols, and skills to modernize pest surveillance.
APP is a unique opportunity for African countries to come together and conduct surveillance on key pests that affect agricultural productivity.
Since its launch in 2023, APP has expanded to 38 countries across Africa, driving significant changes in pest surveillance and prevention. APP has provided tablets, advanced mapping tools, pest survey protocols, and training to over 600 plant health professionals, enabling them to collect real-time, geo-referenced data, even offline. With over 800 active users, the APP GIS Hub enables field inspectors to locate pests faster and manage them better.
One of the phytosanitary challenges that Uganda has been facing is the weak pest surveillance system. So APP is coming in to digitize our pest surveillance activities, and therefore we have read the data that is used in our trade negotiations and market access.
Real-time data is collected and sent to a central monitoring place where we are able to correspond equally and make decisions in real time.
We have a serious gap in the area of pest surveillance, detecting early pest attack, and also reporting. But the Africa Phytosanitary Program training on pest surveillance has given me an in-depth understanding on how I can be able to identify the major pests that is affecting our country.
Previously, we were collecting data using our papers, pens, and the like. But now we have learned to collect the data using technologies like using tablets. This it will help us to minimize the time of collecting data.
We've put in place representatives from all our border entry exit points and inland offices where our plant health inspectors, representatives from extension have been trained. We hope that there is now a training of trainers in those provinces.
APP has addressed our main challenges in terms of determination of pest status and moving forward with reliable data needed for market access. We have had on-time data from field surveys, transparent data which we can easily analyze, and we can prove that a place of production is free of pests.
Our aim is to reduce the incidence of those pests. Hence, we need to survey for their presence. And if they are present, we also have to indicate what measures we have taken to reduce those pests in our produce, so that the importing countries can be confident of our produce. And once they detect those pests in their produce, they can return the consignment, and we call those interceptions. So this training also enables us to reduce interceptions going forward.
APP is an initiative that not only helps African countries but also helped other regions in the world by providing reliable data and also ensuring decision making based on evidence.
Countries are also taking ownership and scaling the program. Mali trained over 120 inspectors, equipped them with tablets and motorbikes to expand surveillance coverage. Uganda uses APP digital tools for nationwide surveillance of Xylella fastidiosa, protecting key exports through real-time monitoring. Cameroon has built a strong national team of 150 officers now using digital systems to track and respond to major threats like fruit flies, banana bunchy top virus, and cotton jacid across all its 10 regions. Kenya integrated APP priority pests into national work plan, uses APP tools for surveillance of key pests, for example, banana bunchy top virus and fusarium wilt of banana. Egypt integrated APP into its national traceability system.
APP is transforming plant protection in Africa, strengthening national systems, reducing crop losses, protecting biodiversity, and enabling safer trade. As we move forward, we are working to further amplify the successful outcomes of APP, scaling impact, sharing results, and extending the benefits across the continent and beyond. With continued partnership and investment, this model can go even further. Step forward with us, invest, partner, and help us take APP further. Join us in advancing plant health for Africa and the world.